Hmm. But yeah, like it really sucks कि the Verstappen got a penalty. मतलब Sir Ham is in a league of his own. Like Verstappen was going to challenge him hopefully in the start. If he didn't, then otherwise, then he had no shot. But
Yeah, I mean, it's a dead race today. It's just
mm,
about whether Verstappen manages to
get back to
come second or not.
yeah.
Yeah.
And Hotstar has taken a poo again.
Sorry?
Hotstar on my TV has taken a poo again.
Oh, okay. Disney Plus. Views internationally.
कितना अटके
So fucked up यार. क्या करें इसमें? मतलब I was already a bit down about the race and मतलब अब तो लग रहा है pointless है देखना भी.
हाँ वो तो है. Like this race is not going to be. This race wasn't going to be interesting from the get go, right? Like from the layout of the track. It's just Catalonia. And I may be not live now.
They're still on the formation.
Okay.
Seeing Leclerc, Binotto on the screen.
Okay. Stokina. It always reminds me of Rexona, the beard, and the shampoo and the stuff. The Williams. Formula One has gone for a rebrand. Now they really prominently show hybrid. Hybrid.
The hybrid, no? Yeah. World's most efficient engine.
Yes. Well, it really is. Like it has more than 50% efficiency.
Yeah, it's a 2-liter engine, yeah.
No, 1.6.
1.6?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh, Gasly hai. Chalo. Gasly is on soft tires. At least overtake Hamilton, please.
अबे कुछ नहीं करेगा. He can take Hamilton out.
ना वो तो वो बिल्कुल नहीं करेगा. Hamilton gets a good start.
Very good start. Alonso started P3.
Yeah.
Max up to P4. Max up to P4.
Oh, nice.
Checo seems to have got a good start as well. I think he's P7. 7 or 8. Bottas is down. Bottas is 11th. अरे यार clean side versus dirty side का issue है. मतलब see Alonso, Verstappen, Hamilton all on the clean side, no?
Okay. Yeah, that was like a huge effect for the clean side.
Yeah.
Brandon is
Verstappen would have.
Brandon is saying that Gasly won't hold up Verstappen, but he so will. He won't give way.
I mean, he won't do a Bottas, but he won't race too hard.
Like Mercedes has had better race pace as well. Perez is trying to overtake somebody. And he got it. He got it. Wow.
Yeah.
That too without DRS.
He's growing a pair.
Okay, it's just against Aston Martin, but still, man, for Perez, that's good.
I mean, he did make a few overtakes. He got stuck behind Danny. So let's see if he's able to overtake Norris. That's the actually science is also a good test. Max was super, yeah. He went on the dirty side. Actually, Norris, Lando got a bad start.
Oh,
Oh, Max almost got P3.
yeah, Alonso screwed Max.
Yeah. I mean, not really. It was his line. Max was dive bombing.
But like, yeah, my biased side says कि नहीं Alonso squeezed him.
I mean, I think he was well within his rights. He's just taking the line. He's not squeezed at all.
Mhm. And because of his aggression, he got P2.
Yeah, he got
Hamilton
Gasly
already
by
has-
doing that. calls are going across garages. And 100% यही बोल रहा है वो मतलब there is no other reason for him to send that message.
Yeah.
He's just saying, bro, थोड़ा हटाओ ना इसको.
Gasly, please.
Gasly. मतलब ठीक है, I cost you your drive, but please थोड़ा you don't cost me my championship.
मेरे को जाने के देना please.
But it's funny how यार मतलब I don't know how bad the Red Bull car is or how weird it is. That every other driver, and it's been what, 4 drivers now who've come into that second car have just struggled so badly.
Yeah. So it's tuned so massively towards Max.
Yeah.
Okay.
Chalo,
Okay.
Max is
Maybe Gasly
through.
went wide on purpose.
Yeah, I think so as well. I mean, good drive from Max.
Yeah, good drive from Max.
He won't get Hamilton, but let's see on strategy.
And Hamilton isn't like really totally pulling away yet. So there is some hope.
Yeah, but he won't be able to take him. I mean, straight
No,
line speed
overtake
anyways.
is definitely not possible. Yeah. But strategy wise, maybe.
Undercut maybe, yeah. That's what Paul Di Resta also said. If you were going to invert them, that probably looks a bit better than slowing down.
Paul Di Resta?
Whoever, yeah, I can't.
You're Crofty and Brundle, bro. Okay, first
This is not
Verstappen got
Crofty.
fastest lap.
Yeah, this is Crofty. Dude, I have to wear headphones just to listen to you. So,
Yeah.
yeah, I'll blame that. Blame you.
Go ahead, bro.
He'll get Nando this lap. He's what, 4/10 out?
Yeah, he should. Nah, he should.
He will.
Oh, bloody hell. Look at that fucking fastest lap from Hamilton. 2 seconds faster.
It was what, 128?
Yeah.
Fuck.
So Hamilton figured out कि Max आ रहा है, so let's show the real pace. Till then he was conserving tires and fuel and
Yeah.
whatever. There.
It's funny that Checo is ahead of Bottas. Nice dive bomb.
Yeah,
Checo.
yeah, nice. Yeah. Because
Checo has
Yuki didn't
grown a
make it
pair.
easy. Yuki didn't make it
Yeah.
easy.
Checo seems to have grown a pair this weekend. I mean, today. This
Today.
weekend he was just shitty. Yeah.
This weekend he was calling out, yeah, we went out at the worst possible time. When he
Yeah, but fucker, I mean, you were slow all weekend. You were slow entire weekend. You were 7/10, 8/10, a second of the pace of Max for the entire
also,
weekend, and then
I don't know how much traffic he got or anything, but like if he went like
कोई
he was the
traffic नहीं
last
था.
man, he was the last man, so he potentially got the best track.
Last man, I mean, before Gasly.
Okay.
So, yeah.
अच्छा लेक्लेयर को भी पेनल्टी मिला था क्या? अच्छा नहीं, he had dropped out of Q2.
He just had a sucky qualifying.
Hey, but still Raikkonen went out in Q1, na? How come Raikkonen was
Yeah,
ahead?
so
He
he
had a brilliant start.
Yeah, it's the green curves that's the problem.
Yeah.
The green and white ones.
Yeah.
Oh,
Perez closing in on Sainz. Let's see if he can do anything.
science. But Red Bull looked fast today. Surprisingly fast.
Yeah. I mean, the second practice running did not seem to show that. And like Perez will probably get Sainz.
Yeah, he will. Matlab, he's well on his way.
Yeah.
That was a late move by
No. Sainz है बेटा.
No, it was a very late move by Sainz. I think it was almost under braking. Yeah, very late.
Brandel is saying that as well. Whatever you just
Yeah.
said.
Yeah.
And Perez is also
Exactly.
saying.
Yeah.
All hail the oracle from a. What are you seeing in your crystal ball now?
I am seeing an overtake on the next lap.
Okay.
Although he's
What-
quite a way behind. He's more than half a second behind.
Yeah. But he's closing in.
Yeah. Front end plate damage on Verstappen. Again? But okay, this was still a bit earlier.
Yeah.
Hail all the oracle.
Yes. Please predict that Verstappen is going to undercut Hamilton. He doesn't seem to be closing in second lap time wise, so seems unlikely. Like,
Toto.
the nerve of Toto. I'm going to fuck up your career, and then I want you to help me with the championship.
Yeah. Oh, वो कर भी रहा है यार. The worst part is Bottas is doing it.
Yeah, Bottas
Even
is like
yesterday when
good guy. Too much good guy.
yesterday in the conference they asked him that are you gonna effectively they were asking, are you gonna dive bomb Lewis? on turn
Hmm.
1
Hmm.
because you're on the clean side.
Hmm.
He's like, yeah, it's 2 against 1. Okay.
Oh, somebody ran really wide.
I think wo,
Yeah,
apna Stroll.
Stroll.
Chalo, Bottas will get him. Thanks to that. Checo, nice, yeah.
Hmm.
Matlab,
Oh, Bottas might get 2. No. Okay, at least he's got 1.
so not all. Yes, I pity Gasly.
Go on.
Yeah, matlab, he's been doing the real 1 versus 2 fight
Yeah,
this year. Matlab,
in terms of the Constructors' Championship
yeah,
against Alpine.
yeah.
And if
I mean, even Perez. Yeah.
if Tsunoda was helping him out, they would AlphaTauri would actually be fighting Ferrari and McLaren instead of Alpine.
Not really. Not really. What? Ferrari and McLaren have got 250 plus points, 270 points approx. They have 112. Even if you double it, I mean, they
Oh.
don't have that good. The race pace is down. Gasly outperforms during qualifying.
Acha. Somebody is getting close to Gasly. Okay, Naris.
No, Lando.
No, this like is making me choose against my 2 children.
Lando
on.
will get him.
Yeah, Lando
उसके
probably
पीछे
will.
चेको है यार. उसके
Acha.
पीछे चेको है. That's interesting.
Okay, if Checo comes into P3, then strategy-wise, Red Bull could do something.
Dude, Alonso is 18 seconds down. Matlab, there's nothing they can do. They already have a pit stop.
Oh, right. Bottas के इंजीनियर का नाम पता है क्या? पीटर
James.
बॉनिंगटन तो हैमिल्टन का इंजीनियर है.
Valtteri, it's James.
वो तो जेम्स तो ये स्ट्रेटजी डायरेक्टर है.
Chief
James
strategist. I know. Yeah, I know, but I couldn't wait to slide that in. I saw an opportunity.
Yes. Meme away, my friend. Meme away.
Yeah. 127.9.
127, motherfuck.
Max dropped 7/10 this lap.
Like Hamilton is just toying with us and Max and everybody.
I mean, Alonso is 20 seconds down on lap 11.
Yeah.
On average, 2 seconds a lap. On average, 2 seconds a lap.
Fuck.
I mean, Hamilton must have a league of their own.
Yeah. Hasn't that been true this entire year?
Yeah. But it's just getting more and more true as the year is progressing.
Yeah. Like Hamilton अब पूरा in focus मतलब championship mode में आ गया है.
हाँ. मतलब he's game face.
हाँ. मतलब जैसा the Hamilton laps that he puts in, that was the yesterday's lap was a Hamilton lap.
Yep.
4/10 faster.
Yeah, yesterday I was surprised when Verstappen and Bottas said that Gasly they didn't get yellow flags, and so the penalties today were not surprising, but it's weird that both of them didn't see them and both of them just kept going through.
So the warnings were not sent through to the cars and the panels. So
then it's F1's, that's FIA's fault then. Why do they get penalized?
Still, they get penalized.
Lando gets him finally. The The English child gets the French child, and the Mexican discarded child is still stuck behind them. So
Well, much
it's
more
actually a
action
good.
than I thought that was possible.
Yeah, I just said that. I mean, it's actually a good track. I mean, proper racing, at least in the midfield, but still.
Yeah.
I mean, Hamilton continues to pull out 2 seconds a lap. More than that, he pulled out almost 4 seconds this last lap and a half
Holy fuck. He pulled
from Alonso.
5-6 tenths on Max as well.
Yeah. I think they're going for a 2-stop.
They might be, but the track is supposed to be quite abrasive. I mean, hard on the tires.
They thought it was going to be, but then I think on Friday, it seemed like it was not as abrasive as they thought it would be.
Okay.
So they still, projected 2.
Team orders, sister team orders.
Yeah. I mean, maybe not.
Nah, it probably was. Gasly didn't fight him at all. He fought Norris much harder.
That's true. But yeah, Gasly getting points is more important than Checo getting points. Because Alonso is third right now.
Yeah.
I mean,
but Red Bull don't care.
Red Bull are also fighting for the constructors, although I don't think they're gonna get it.
Yeah, I mean, if they get it, it'll be completely Bottas's fault. Totally.
I mean,
in
if they win the drivers, that will also totally be because of Bottas. So, I mean, if he hadn't taken both Red Bulls out in what was that, Hungary?
Yeah.
Hungary, right?
Yeah.
Then a different story altogether.
Yeah. And like that race, Max would have easily gotten at least second. So Max lost.
Yeah. 18 points.
Yes. No, he got 9th. So he lost 16 points.
He got? Okay, 9th. Yeah. Okay.
Gasly is already stopping. Oh, bhai.
This is very aggressive under braking. Ocon? Oh, George Russell.
No, it was Vettel and Russell. The L's.
I mean, I think that was too aggressive.
I kind of agree, but come on, yaar, racing ho raha hai, yaar. I don't care. If it's aggressive, let it be.
No, do it like a second up the road. No, I don't mind them doing it. That's perfectly fine. But don't do it under braking.
Wait, Russell is coming with the Formula 2 mentality, na? That is totally like moving under braking is basically what you do in F2.
Verstappen down what? Another 8 tenths?
Yeah. So how about we shut this down, go to sleep, come back and see Hamilton win and Verstappen second, and then whatever the order remains. Who cares really?
I mean, yeah, it's either Norris or Checo. I think they'll get Fernando. He's just slow. Although he still has 3 seconds on Norris. So maybe he's not that slow.
And he's not
Bottas is 7th now. He got Stroll, he got Sainz. Nice.
Yeah.
And Gasly pitted.
Yeah, they're just showing the replay of how he got Sainz.
Hmm. ठीक है, decent recovery.
Yeah, decent recovery. Yes.
He can get back to like P4 maybe.
Wasn't he P3? So shouldn't he have been ahead of Max at the start? Yes, he was. He was ahead of Max at the start. Yeah, but
Yeah,
dirty
Max
credit.
got him. He had a bad start. Everyone got him. I mean, even Checo got him at the start. Checo was P11. Valtteri was P6. Bonington.
Yes. Right. Come on, nobody's overtaking Hamilton.
I mean, oh, he got Norris very easily.
Norris didn't fight at all.
Yeah. Yeah, I think that's not his fight now. He sees that
Yeah,
Sainz and Leclerc are so far behind. So
he needs. He
come
just
on,
needs to
Danny,
overtake
get a
Alonso.
point. Hmm?
He just needs to overtake Alonso.
Sorry?
Norris
Yeah.
just needs to overtake Alonso.
You mean Checo?
No. Norris. Checo should overtake Alonso. Norris needs to.
I mean, no. Why?
Just like better points, na, for fourth rather than fifth.
2 points, no?
I mean, like technically, McLaren should have a better race pace car than Alpine.
They should, but Alonso was 5 seconds up the road. So even if they don't, I mean, I'm saying it doesn't matter for Lando, as long as what they're pulling 7 points on Ferrari right now.
Yeah, but Ferrari have a 30-point lead or something.
Yeah, yeah. So Danny will hopefully get Charles.
Yeah, because this is not a Ferrari weekend. Although Friday practice
Yeah.
suggested that it is.
Yeah, but Saturday they were very slow. I mean, McLaren was fast.
Yeah.
Okay, Bottas behind Norris. Bottas is recovering well.
Yes. And because Mercedes is probably the stronger race car, I worry about Checo's position.
Crash kar dega yaar. He'll hold him off. Bottas is not the best overtaker in the game.
Yeah, that's true. Okay.
Max pitting, undercutting.
Too far behind to undercut.
I mean, what else can he do?
Yeah.
Hard tires on, 1 stop. It's 1 stop. I don't know, maybe 2 stops. They can put softs on at the end.
But Alonso is closing in, man. It will be tight. It will be tight.
No, he's okay. Inside line, no? Good timing. Well done, well done, Red Bull.
Yeah. I mean, the soonest that they could come without any loss, they've done it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But Hamilton now has a 34-second lead. Like, no amount of undercut performance is going to get that. Don't stop me early, man. But
Bottas. It might be Bottas. Oh no, he is coming in.
yeah.
So Hamilton, whenever Hamilton talks about tires, he's lying. Tires are gone means, yo man, I want to go long. Tires are good. Matlab, pit right now. Pit me last lap if possible.
Please reverse time. Please reverse time. Are you having whiskey or water?
Wine.
Oh, nice.
10 seconds. 9.5 seconds.
Plenty of pace in hand.
Fuck. And this is when he was pulling 8/10 a second. Clear.
But it's true. It's just strange. It's just strange for Bono to admit it.
Yeah. I mean, they don't care. They know they've got this. So they are literally just playing around with Red Bull right now.
So besides mechanical failure, there's no chance that we are going to see a fight for first or second. So let's concentrate on the guys behind.
Yeah, I
Along-
mean, Checo third, Bottas fourth.
Though
Although Alonso
only
is maintaining position.
yeah.
I mean, Checo is not able to close in.
So they're trying to undercut him now.
That's a bit of surprise, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
also-
what I thought. They would one stop.
Also, Alonso started on softs. Probably, right?
I think so, yeah.
So
Now Bottas will go long. ये Red Bull ने fuck up कर दिया. Bottas will one stop. So Checo's Checo started on mediums, na free choice था.
hmm,
Yeah, they've got it.
yeah.
Red Bull fucked up. They had to use Perez against Bottas
Hmm.
and protect Max. They fucked up.
But still, Max, Bottas will. I don't think. I mean, unless strategy is so much superior, I don't think Bottas has the pace to get Max.
He doesn't. I mean, he's still 12 seconds off after Max has taken a pit stop.
Hmm.
But
Also, he's taking a while to get by Norris.
he'll get him next lap. Or this lap.
I think next lap, not this lap.
No, matlab, he's a
Quite a
bit
bit
too
behind.
far behind this lap. Yeah. Next lap, probably. Oh, actually, maybe not. The same engine. No?
Yeah, but Norris will be slower in the middle sector. Oh, bhai. Yeah, his front wing is really hanging on.
There's another oracle in the room. I mean, I just think we have eyes and we were reporting what we were seeing in both cases. But okay, good to be oracles of Formula One.
Maybe we're just a little bit faster than Brundle and Crofty because they are actually, obeying commentary protocol and waiting for the other guy to finish, and we just go ahead and call anything. What do we see?
Yeah, but we haven't had any conflicts as such. I mean, we haven't
Yeah.
spoken over each other.
Little bit, but not too much.
So, Hamilton from Verstappen, 8.5 seconds. There's no way that is going to be interesting.
And Bottas, why is he pulling out of slipstream in the straight? Overheating issues in the night.
यार ये चेको के साथ
Perez
इन्होंने
against
चूतिया काट दिया.
Vettel. Holy crap, that was pure tire advantage, man.
He was a bit too far behind.
Now, if he had gotten him, it would have been pure tire advantage.
Yeah.
Younger tires versus older tires, because like he was totally going the long way around. Even against
but Vettel is an old soft. I mean, Perez should get him sooner than
Vettel
later.
has found his mojo, man, in Aston.
Not in qualifying.
Somewhat.
I mean, race, yes. Qualifying, no.
Vettel is, in my opinion, Vettel has never been a great racer.
Yeah.
He has been a good leader of the race.
Yeah, he can do management well. Race management.
Besides, maybe Brazil 2012. Brazil 2012, he actually raced.
Alonso is one stopping. They fucked up with Checo. That was a strategic fuck up. It's a one-stop race. It doesn't need two stops.
Yes. And see, Max is eating up his tires because he's trying to keep up with Lewis. Checo did not have to do that.
Yeah. There's not a lot of slipstream though.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good job. Ooh. Oh, same people as yesterday. Same boards as well.
I guess there's only those people who have come and they have to show some crowd.
I mean, yeah, there was this Finnish girl, there was these Checo fans, and then there was one British family. I think.
And that Qatari family with the 2 kids.
I didn't see them. So there are 14 people, not 10.
Okay. Okay, Alonso has stopped.
Yeah, it's quite full.
Yeah, it is full.
The stand is pretty full. Yeah. At least the main stand is pretty full.
Qatar is supposed to be this totalitarian state, right? So might be, people who have been forced to come or something.
I mean, it's not completely totalitarian. I mean, it's oppressive, but that's against migrant workers. मतलब तू अगर रहेंगे तो हमारे ऊपर ऑपरेशन होगा. Yeah, it's not completely totalitarian. Is what I'm trying to say.
It's not China or Russia, but it's up there.
Yeah, it's a bit autocratic. Let's say. Such a fucking boring race up front. And Bottas is third. Alonso pitted, and he's still 2.5 seconds ahead of 2 seconds ahead of Checo. So fuck off, Red Bull. You fucking stupid idiots. Putting him out back in traffic. Apologize. Today, if he's angry, I will I'll give him credit for that. It was a stupid strategy.
Like they sent him out in traffic.
Complete. A line of traffic, almost a DRS train. Chalo. He got Danny. He will get Alonso, but he would have gotten Alonso even earlier. So they just needed to stay there.
Yeah.
Now Valtteri is within a pit stop of Max.
Yes, and also Valtteri is probably overtaken Perez for the race now.
Yes, yes. Perez is out. Perez is out of the podium. That is no longer a possibility
Yeah,
unless he wants stops.
and that will not work against Bottas. Bottas will have tire advantage, and Bottas उतना भी
Yeah.
चूतिया नहीं कि with tire advantage भी overtake ना करता है.
Oh. They fucked up. They fucked up big time.
I saw a van driving in the background. I thought that like those guys have also figured out that Hamilton's winning and they're leaving the race.
It was a one-stop race. I mean, people are doing it on softs. They were on mediums. That was just stupid of
Who put it on
Red
softs?
Bull. No. There were people. There were
Oh, yeah,
people
yeah.
who went till lap 24, 25 on softs.
Yeah.
So look at Vettel, na. He's still on
Hmm.
softs. He's still out there, and he was fairly competitive. I mean, he was obviously slower than Checo, but that's an Aston against a Red Bull
Yes.
with 25 lap old tires, so 24 lap old tires. अभी क्या होगा 0.6 सेकंड के से वो उसके पीछे उसने 2-3 सेकंड लूज किए हैं. Stupid people. And temperatures are dropping, so tires will just last longer and longer. It was just stupid. Bad strategy from Red Bull.
जबकि Verstappen के लिए they were so perfect. It's almost like they tried to screw their second drivers.
Yeah, I mean, okay, I'll take everything back if Checo asked for the tires, but
It's
if
unlikely.
Checo asked for the stop.
Checo never really asks for stops.
Oh, Checo is good with tires.
Yeah. Holy crap. Oh. No, he could not have overtaken off the circuit.
Nando
Okay.
was lucky there.
Nando was lucky and Checo was unlucky.
Yeah. I mean, if Checo had stayed on the inside, maybe.
Checo might overtake in this corner. Yeah, he does.
Side to side, wheel to wheel, come on. Yeah. Good job, Checo. I mean, driver of the day. I mean, not counting Hamilton, obviously.
But no matter what, Hamilton never really wins driver of the day, and he doesn't care.
He won it last time.
We did? Yeah, but
Dude,
last time
that
he
was a crazy.
deserved it. He deserved it.
Yeah.
P10
I mean, he was.
to P1.
Yeah. P25 to P1.
Yes, P25 to P1. So basically, when everybody was like lights out and here away we go, Hamilton was like just turning up at the gates of the circuit. अरे मेरे को जाना है घुसने दो. And then he won.
Those are good pit stops for double stack, yeah? 2.2 and 2.4.
Yeah.
Those are really good pit stops for double stack.
I was going to take a dig at Ferrari. Like I was going to say कि Max का strategy management is done by a Mercedes guy and Checo का strategy management is done by a Ferrari guy. But Ferrari is making me eat my words.
क्या बोल रहा है? I couldn't hear that.
I couldn't hear that either.
Okay, Checo will get him this lap.
Yeah.
Start finish straight. Unless Alonso just does a
Alonso
Alonso.
will
error.
fight. Alonso will fight.
Yeah, he'll fight hard. He'll fight hard.
And he is a bit ahead at least. Not this lap. Okay, maybe this lap.
But yeah, he didn't fight too hard.
No. He will not.
Oh,
get him.
inside. Yeah.
No.
But he will get him.
He will get him because he kept it within the track.
Yeah. Good job, Checo.
Good overtake.
I mean, he's doing wheel to wheel properly today.
Yeah.
See, he's done everything he could do. I mean, he's made the places back up. He's within the pit stop of Bottas. But now strategy पे fuck up किया तो वो तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता ना वो.
No, he kept it within the track. The curves are the track today, not the white line.
Okay. I mean, they need to be clear about track limits. Yeah, this has gone the entire year, and it's just irritating now.
So probably, I mean, that's what I heard in commentary someday that next year onwards, the white line is always the track limit.
Yeah, I mean that's the way to go about it. All corners, white line is the track. You're out. You're out. They've said that, but they were also just proposing it like we are.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty full.
Then I guess the camera people are racist. They don't want to show the Qataris.
Oh, there was that one Iranian family as well.
Okay, how can you tell an Iranian family from a Qatari family?
The Iranian family had a Irani flag
right
in front of them.
Okay. Max Verstappen is putting in fastest laps, and Hamilton is like, "हाँ ले बच्चा ले, कर ले मस्ती." Last lap में तो मैं ले ही लूँगा fastest lap.
Last lap में 5 seconds fast होऊंगा तेरे से. I'll be 5 seconds faster than you.
Hamilton is probably tire saving now.
हाँ, he is. Hamilton ने engine बंद कर दिया होगा. वो बोल रहा होगा चलेगा अपने आप पहुंच जाऊंगा, end तक पहुंच जाऊंगा. मतलब lift and coast भी नहीं, engine off, neutral. तो neutral करके petrol बचाओ.
I want to be green. I want to save the world. So मैं सिर्फ ERS पे चलाएगा.
बैटरी पे चलाएगा. I'm so mad at Red Bull for doing what they did to Checo. Well, one day when he's actually driving properly, you fuck him up.
Ferrari has maybe hired a model to encourage the pit guys. Or maybe that's me being incredibly sexist.
Danny sucks. Danny sucks so bad. I mean, come on, P15.
Yeah.
Okay, Vettel, Gio need to stop, but still.
And he hasn't been able to overtake Leclerc.
Yeah.
On a track where Ferrari is struggling.
Yeah. And overtaking is possible. I mean, Checo has come from what, 12 to 4th twice now.
Yes.
So overtaking is clearly possible.
Yes.
And he got most of them on the track. I mean,
He got
I
all of them
think-
on the track.
I
Except
think
Ocon.
Norris and Norris.
So Norris at least he got once on the track.
Yeah, once on the track. Second time, it was in the pits. First time, everyone was on track. No? Red Bull was one of the first people to pit. Yeah, this is the British family that I was talking about.
So proper racist camera work चल रहा है एकदम. फिर भी नहीं लोग पे फोकस कर रहा है.
नहीं मेक्सिको अलग ऐसे भी
Or maybe the Qatari people are like subdued. They have had their finished beans today, and they are like, हाँ ठीक है रेस ही तो है. So इसीलिए उन पे फोकस नहीं कर रहा.
उनका पता भी नहीं चलेगा ना किसको सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं. They're showing, मतलब the crowd is there to support people. Qatari people are not holding anything, I guess. मतलब कतार का फ्लैग लेके बैठेगा तो क्या दिखाएगा उसको. कल एटलीस्ट ईरानी
maybe उन लोग का like भारतीय mentality है कि buck we won't buy this overpriced shit out here.
हम नहीं देख रहे.
So we'll go, watch the race, but no much buying.
Qatar में anyway, the income disparity is so high. Either they'll be in the paddock club or they'll be on the streets outside. Grandstand वाला जनता ही
Oh, Bottas has a puncture.
हाँ कर दे पूरे रोड पे पत्थर बिखेर दे.
हाँ पूरा रोड पे पत्थर दिखा दे and at least virtual safety car होना चाहिए.
It doesn't. Virtual safety cars हो तो they should pick Max. Who the fuck is Matt?
Okay, Perez is overtaking.
चलो चेको तो निकल गया.
Yeah.
Fuck man. I mean, I pity Alonso, literally going through fire. Chalo, Red Bull got lucky.
Okay, how much money do you want to bet that Toto is still going to blame Bottas for this puncture?
I mean, I just hope that. Basically, he never pitted.
Yeah, he never
pitted, right?
He never pitted, but this probably wasn't the tire going away. It was.
No, I think it was. I mean, 34 laps, yeah. 34 laps on the medium.
But Vettel still hasn't pitted. He's on the soft tires. Bottas was on medium.
Vettel still hasn't pitted.
Or maybe he has. He's on mediums.
Yeah, he's on mediums. He has pitted. अच्छा यार, Mazepin is driving on softs happily. उसको अच्छा लगता होगा ना. मैं अपना अलग रेस चलाता है. F1 रेस में मैं F2 चलाता है.
तो रोड ट्रिप के लिए आया है ब्रो. वो थोड़ी रेस है.
He's 31 seconds down on Giovinazzi.
But like, shame on Giovinazzi. Even Mick Schumacher is ahead of him. Haas is ahead of him.
Yeah. I think it was a tire failure.
I think it might have been, the curbs wala issue. I don't think it was a tire failure wala failure. I think it was a curbs wala issue.
Yeah, this is exactly what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Literally going through fire. It is completely tire failure. Yeah, look at it.
Okay, maybe.
मेरा भी अभी टायर फटा है ऐसे ही.
So Sir will never get a puncture.
Well, Sir will get a puncture on the last lap,
And he'll still win the race.
and he'll still win the race. I mean, insanely lucky guy. I mean, okay, this year it's been pretty okay, pretty normal in terms of luck. I
Yeah.
won't say luck played a role. Teammates did play a role.
Yes. And see, his comeback in the championship is completely on him. Nobody else.
Completely on him taking Verstappen out at Silverstone. Yes. Yes.
That's a bit British media of you, man. That's like, he took him out, yes.
And that's where the biggest point flip was there. If you look at the entire season, every single race, that's where they have the biggest point delta.
Okay. Also Hungary. But Hungary, mein Bottas did the dirty work.
Hungary, mein Hamilton didn't do the work. And Hungary, mein at least he got a couple of points at the end. That was a 43 point swing.
But then again, we can't go into the coulda, shoulda, woulda world, na?
We can't, so I'm giving credit to Hamilton for what he did.
For taking out people.
I mean, and I'm not saying Max is any better than him. It's
Yeah.
just that Hamilton is just more successful. He does it better.
Yeah. Like when he wants to take out people, he actually takes them out. Max tried to take him out in Brazil and he couldn't. So
Yeah.
Max, yeah, he should have probably taken him out.
I mean, I honestly think Max should have gotten the penalty because it was intentional. Matlab,
I haven't
doesn't
yet seen
match.
the onboard. Have you seen the onboard?
I've seen the onboard. He turned it very late. I mean, he wasn't going to make the corner, and he knew it. And Hamilton's rear wheels were ahead of Max's front wing.
Yeah.
So he was completely ahead. I mean, that was stupid of Max and the stewards.
Crofty family gets something right.
I mean, he was on mediums for 34 laps. You can't compare that to whatever Hamilton is doing. He's done what, 15 laps on these tires? 20 laps maybe?
17 laps because they pitted close to 21 or something.
I mean, 18, yeah.
No. So they're not comparing that. They're just saying that if they once stop right now, they'll have the data on whether it was a puncture because of tire failure or because a puncture because of the circuit.
They can't one stop. I mean, they just need to react to Verstappen. He doesn't have to do anything. He just keeps driving. आराम से अपना धीमे-धीमे चलाता रहे.
Because Perez is what, 52 seconds behind or 32? No, 52 seconds.
52. Yeah, Perez is a non-factor now.
Yeah. Yes. Well, Red Bull are definitely going to stop again.
Yeah, but Max is going to stop again for sure. I don't know about Checo. Vibrations for Max.
Yeah, but it's just 18 laps. Can't stop now.
It doesn't matter, yeah. I mean, do whatever you want to do.
Again, just 18 laps left. So he could stop now.
Yeah.
That he could go for 5 laps more and he could get softs.
I mean, क्या कर लेगा soft से? Hamilton भी soft लगा लेगा. There's nothing they can do, no.
I think if Red Bull are smart and not, impulsive, they should not stop. They should stop at lap 55 and get onto softs and get the fastest lap wala point. That's it.
Yeah, let's see. That's actually not a bad idea. I like that.
So
Alonso is one stopping.
Alonso in the last lap closed in on Checo by 3/10.
No, he's fast. I think that battle is over in that case. Alpine versus Alpha Tauri.
Probably circuit dependent. Alpine is really circuit dependent. Alpha Tauri has been more consistent than Alpine in terms of circuit speed.
You mean Gasly?
Yeah, I mean Gasly, yes, not Alpha Tauri. But then again, there's the argument, it's the car and not the driver. Hamilton is kind of beating that argument.
Tsunoda took Latifi, man. Yeah, sorry. Go ahead.
Yeah, because very small vibrations. Yeah, so Max is not stopping now. So because if it's just the car, Bottas should be able to match Hamilton. And Perez should be able to match Max.
Yeah.
So it's not just the
car. I mean, Bottas is still closer to Hamilton.
Yeah.
Checo to kya hi bolu. Although today he's been good.
Yeah.
Credit where it's due. I mean, 4 more laps if they'd carried on the mediums for Checo, he could have gotten Alonso and
be safe against Bottas.
Be safe against Bottas, even pull a one-stop off.
Yes.
Be a factor. Be a factor in the race. Then they could happily have pitted Max, have Hamilton fall behind. I mean, Hamilton would still have won it.
Yes.
But just put some pressure.
Yes.
Checo might be saving tires also. Maybe he's been asked to take it to the end.
Yeah. No, Red Bull are boxing now.
Stupids.
What are they putting on? They're putting on
Actually, he has 2 pit stops, so he can still get the fastest lap. He has 2 pit stops worth of time, and he will pull more time off because he's on a faster tire.
Yes.
Again, feeding him back out in a good place. For a TMT track in front of him.
Yeah.
Not bad.
They've got Mercedes strategists for Max and Ferrari strategists for Checo.
यार क्या चूतिया आदमी है यार ये टोटो वुल्फ भैंचोद सुअर का बच्चा
नहीं पेरेज इज स्टॉपिंग
वही तो बोल रहा हूँ अरे यार वही क्रिश्चियन हॉर्नर यार सेम थिंग चूतिया है यार Hamilton तो करेगा ही ना he just has to mirror Verstappen that is I mean this shit yeah Red Bull is shit they threw away podium this time threw away podium threw away basically catching up in the constructors
Hmm. 15 laps में is he going to close up Alonso? I doubt it.
घंटा कुछ होने वाला है. If Alonso goes to the end, Checo is out.
So basically,
he'll get
Red Bull are gifting
Yeah.
Alpine
points.
podium.
Yeah.
Not just points, a podium.
I mean, he might get Ocon on track.
No, he'll get.
Beyond that, nothing.
Yeah, he'll get.
He can get Ocon. Yeah. Norris will be 14 laps. Norris is also possible, but difficult.
Yeah.
Gasly just dropped off like anything, yeah?
Yeah.
I mean, he'd started P2.
Bad strategy.
And also bad race pace, I think. So Mick Schumacher is a minute ahead of Mazepin. अच्छा है. मतलब it was 5 laps ago that I said 30 seconds, right?
Yeah.
5-6
So-
laps, yeah.
So maybe Mick is going to lap Mazepin.
Very likely. If it goes this way, if it continues going. That was off track limits.
They don't
So
need
Max
to
has
be
a pit stop in hand. Max
Yeah.
will pit for fastest lap.
Yes.
Checo को तो इन लोगों ने मतलब they peed all over his car.
Hmm.
इसके एक टायर क्यों नहीं निकाल देते हैं यार वो लोग, मतलब कि जाते हैं को 3 ही टायर देंगे, एक मैक्स के लिए बचा के रखा है हमने.
नॉरिस बोल रहा था ना कि हैमिल्टन को 3 ही टायर देना चाहिए.
उसने बोला ये?
हाँ.
I didn't see that.
So because P25 से P1 आया ना वो.
Oh.
And forget P25 से P1, P20 से P5 in an 18 lap
In
or
a
20 lap
sprint, yeah.
हाँ.
Yeah.
तो वो तब उसी पे नॉरिस बोला कि like if he has that kind of advantage over everybody else, he really should be getting 3 wheels or something.
Perez pulled fastest lap off, by the way.
And not for long.
Oh no, Hamilton has fresh tires, so he obviously
Hamilton has enough space. He has enough space and enough pace.
Yeah, enough pace.
That's what I meant. It's just a fumble of the tongue.
Tongue of the fumble.
Yeah.
Yeah, see, he got up to Stroll. He'll get him. He'll get Ocon. I'm not sure about Lando. And Alonso, to no way. You can't pull 27 seconds off. I like Alpine's camaraderie, yeah.
Come on, he did Esteban a solid.
Yeah. I'm saying I like their camaraderie. These two guys, that they're working together. I mean, I think the first time in Formula One, their two drivers were working as a team. And the funny part is, one of them is Alonso. I mean, the guy who's notoriously the worst teammate ever.
Yes. The guy who cost himself and Lewis a championship in 2007. Well, I am thankful to him for that because that means Kimi got.
Kimi got the championship.
Yeah.
I mean, those 2 years were pretty interesting. Last race deciders. Those 3-4 years before the Vettel years.
Yeah.
So
No, the
between
Braun.
Schumi
Even the
and
Braun year was boring.
yeah. So between the Schumi years to Braun, yes, you're right.
Yeah.
It was a good.
Yeah,
Space.
2010 was interesting. 2011 wasn't.
2011 was Vettel.
Yeah, but 2011 में Weber stood a chance to win in the final race.
But ठीक है, वो ठीक है.
But then again, it was Weber. 2010 में Alonso stood a chance. So 2010 was interesting.
No, it's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not. It's totally is not.
Max got fastest lap. That's good. Good for Max. अच्छा है, hope देना चाहिए ना थोड़ा. देखो you can अच्छा तेज चलाओगे तो मिल जाएगा fastest lap. Elbows out. Elbows out is the message to Ocon.
Look, it's Ocon, okay. He could take Perez out.
He usually just takes his teammates out, so
No, he took Max out in Brazil while he was being lapped.
ठीक है यार, वो सब होता रहता है. बड़े-बड़े देशों में छोटी-छोटी बातें होती रहती है. ब्राजील तो बहुत बड़ा देश है. Next lap, Checo. Oh, this lap, Checo. Come on, boy. Come on. Good boy.
Finally, Qatari family दिखाया. Irani family दिखाया. पता नहीं.
Flag नहीं देखा. I was too excited by Checo finally getting.
Oh, bhai, Ocon is coming back.
No.
Okay, at least he gave us good entertainment, man. Thank you, Ocon.
Yeah. And Checo has entertained throughout the race from the first lap.
All because of it.
Yeah. He's got what, 15 overtakes today?
Yeah, probably.
And Checo getting 15 overtakes is quite good. And a lot of them wheel to wheel. Sainz was wheel to wheel. Ocon 1 was wheel to wheel. Gasly was wheel to wheel. Stroll was wheel to wheel.
Norris was wheel to wheel.
Lando was wheel to wheel. Yeah. Quite a few of them wheel to wheel. 15 seconds off Alonso. घंटा आएगा उसको. I mean, unless Alonso's tires drop off the cliff.
They're not going to happen.
Oh, he pitted when 25, 30?
But Alonso है ना. Bottas नहीं है. Alonso है. वो टायर मैनेजमेंट आता है उसको.
टायर मैनेजमेंट भी आता है. उसका गाड़ी भी तो डबल विड्थ का है. लुइस नहीं निकल पाते उसके पीछे से, तो ये कहाँ से निकलेगा?
वही तो. Like हम लोग जितना भी सपोर्ट करें चेको को, लुइस इज अ बेटर रेसर देन चेको any day of the week.
Much better racer. much better racer. I mean, that meme was epic when Alonso having a track wide car and Lewis stuck behind him. Budapest again.
Bhai, Alonso was responsible for Ocon's win.
Yes, 100%. 100%.
Like 5-6 laps तक, मतलब 2-3 बार तो Lewis was totally alongside. तब भी he defended.
Yeah.
And
like a lion.
like a lion, yes. Hungary में the go to move is कि turn 1 में पास आ जाओ and turn 3 में ये क्या बोलते हैं turn 2 में हाँ आउटसाइड से ओवरटेक करो into turn 3 एंड उसको वो 2-3-4 बार डिफेंड किया वो
ठोक दे इसको।
ठोक दे भाई ठोक दे ना सुनोजा है तो ठोक ही दे
मोर थ्रेट्स और ये वाली तो सुंदर भी थी।
ओके
Thirteen seconds, so he is pulling a second lap back. He might get Lando, but not Alonso for sure. So Lando gets 10 points. Danny gets bullshit. Norris pitted.
Yeah, Lando is coming into the pit to retire or something.
What the fuck? Why?
Puncture. Oh, Bottas is retiring.
हाँ तो ठीक है यार, क्या ही कर लेगा वो.
But why did Norris pit then?
Yeah. Gave away the points, yeah. Yellow flag sector 3. Sector 3 में Bottas के पीछे कौन है? Danny, Sunoda आ गया. अरे Danny would have taken Hamilton out. Double waved yellows. Okay.
So it's the circuit. It's not tire failures.
Yeah. I think Norris might have been losing pressure.
Yeah, probably. So Ferrari को gift मिल गया है इस weekend. Norris and Ricciardo are both out of the points.
I mean, I think Stroll might pit.
Even 26
But nahi yaar, hard tires, 26 laps. Yeah, they should be okay.
But like Russell was 31 lap old hards. So अब टायर भी नहीं निकल रहा है इसका.
निकल गया. I was just about to make a Mercedes joke. The tire that would not come off. Okay, I'll go ahead and make it anyway. He's preparing to go to Mercedes.
You know what could be tire life related as well, because this circuit was supposed to be hard on the front left.
Yeah.
Okay, please safety car, please virtual safety car, something. So it's not this. It's probably not the circuit then.
It is the circuit. I mean, it is a tire. 3 left fronts, yeah. It's the third time it's the left front. And that was the tire that was getting worked the hardest. So it has to be tire deck. All 3 are front lefts. Latifi will just retire. and still probably finish ahead of Mazepin. Yeah, they should be allowed to go in reverse in the pit lane in situations like this.
Okay,
Retiring?
yeah, retiring, but no VSC even. He has been a good boy. He has stopped near a crane in near a gap in the
Exit,
wall.
yeah. Hmm. Checo 9 seconds down. Nah, he's not going to catch Alonso unless Alonso has a front left failure.
Yeah, just 3 laps left. Okay, counting this 4 laps left.
Max should still stop and put soft zone and go for
Yeah,
fastest lap because Hamilton has pace and Hamilton has tires.
yeah,
So if he is stupid and thinks that he's got it, he will lose it.
yes, he will.
And that's 2 points. So he needs to do that.
Yes.
Norris gets a point. He might get 2. He can get Vettel. Tire difference is massive.
If he gets like how far is he behind Leclerc?
10 seconds.
Okay, then that's too far behind.
अरे भाईजान तुम फास्टेस्ट लैप कर लोगे वो भी कर लेगा तुम्हें पिट तो करना ही पड़ेगा you have to pit on lap 56
He can't.
next lap he has to
Acha,
he's
can.
40 seconds up 50 seconds up not even 40 he can pit twice both laps he should pit यार जा रहा है इसका टायर चूतिया
Oh bhai. So if it's BSC now, so Max will get fastest lap.
हाँ मतलब unless they open it up in the last lap and then Max can't do jack shit. I think Max should still pit. He should get new tires.
Okay, if Mick had not had that moment, he would have lapped Mazepin.
Yeah, he is pitting. Good. Finally, okay, Mercedes strategy, right? Yeah, that's the right thing to do.
Yes.
Acha hai. I mean, they've been so good with Max's strategy and so bad with Checo's. A lot of Brits are there, yeah.
Apparently, they have the money.
So 6-point swing this time around.
Yes. Leaves 8 points ka lead.
8 buffer, 2 races. So it will be decided in the final race.
Yeah.
चलो अच्छा है यार वो क्रॉस कर गया था पिट लेन बिफोर वर्चुअल सेफ्टी कार एंडेड. It was a bunch of us, Norris. Okay, Ferrari gets P3. That's confirmed. Because they pulled out what?
They're still
4, 6, 8 more points.
Yeah. But
Yeah.
technically, there are still 86 more points to play for.
I mean,
Actually,
technically you can fuck yourself.
technically, nobody can fuck themselves. Even Fandango
I mean, you
or
can-
whatever the fuck cannot.
Well, if you do time travel, you can. Have you seen that movie?
Which movie?
Is it Looper? No, it's not Looper. The other time travel movie.
Don't
Oh,
remember.
fuck, I forgot. Where the guy recruits himself and herself, fucks himself and herself, has
I
gives
haven't seen
birth
this
to
movie.
himself and herself, and then kills himself.
This is so fucking up with causality, bro.
Yeah, it's an interesting watch.
Okay,
It was a
find the-
well-made movie. Yeah,
okay,
I
find the
forgot
movie.
the name.
I'll watch it. I want to see reality being fucked in the ass.
Mm. 3 seconds. ये तो होना ही था.
Right,
The
so.
oracle had spoken. Oh, so he got lucky because Norris got the puncher. Otherwise, he would have been 7, 8 seconds down. He would have lost time fighting Norris.
Now 2 more weeks to Saudi, right?
Yeah. And then I think it's back to back.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, it is back to back.
Saudi and Abu Dhabi is back to back, right?
5th and 12th or 6th and 13th, whatever. Don't remember.
Schedule. I will go to Formula 1 schedule. Yeah, 3 to 5 and 10 to 12.
Driver of the day, Alonso.
Alonso?
Yeah.
I mean, Checo deserves it. Although, yeah, Nando also deserves it.
Yes.
That's not a fast car.
Okay, so Max got a faster still lap. Almost a second.
Yeah. Dude, go say sorry to Checo. Stop talking to Max. Just go and say sorry to Checo. Although, seeing all the punches, I think maybe it was the right call. मतलब 40 plus laps नहीं हो पाता. 40 नहीं, 37 laps चाहिए था ना. He pitted on 19, 20. He pitted one lap after Max. So 20. 34 laps. It was cutting it close, but I think, yeah, they should have stayed out.
Yeah.
Alonso pulled it off. He pulled 34 laps off. So
Yeah.
anyway, decent race in the midfield. I mean,
Yes.
except for the first two, and Max did well. It was a P7 to P2 drive for them.
Yeah, but he was already there, right, in the beginning. But still, he did well. Yeah.
Yeah.
देख इस व्यू में नहीं लगता है क्या मिडिल फिंगर दे रहा है? I'm going to fight for that stupid joke.
I still think it's a trident. But
Yeah, it is a trident. Actually, you know what? That actual जो सर्किट मैप दिखाता है ना, उसमें जो लास्ट कॉर्नर का जो किंक है ना आउटवर्ड्स, that really resembles हाइड्रा का पिक्चर जो कि मेरे एनसीईआरटी के बुक में था.
Okay, good to know that. Why did your NCERT book have a Hydra picture?
Why wouldn't it? Why would not have microorganisms का picture? NCERT का साइंस
कौन सा माइक्रो ऑर्गेनिज्म है हाइड्रा? मैं पढ़ा नहीं है स्कूल में क्या?
तुम उस दिन बंक मारा होगा.
Oh, okay.
Oh, bhai, look at this. Looks awesome, man.
Nice, yeah. ऐसा होना चाहिए ना कि हर गाड़ी के ऊपर एक स्पॉटलाइट है. This will keep moving with the cars. How good do you think that would be?
Must be LED lights यार, नहीं तो incandescent lights से तो ऐसा कर नहीं सकते. Lewis is fist bumping Alonso.
Yeah, I saw that. But ठीक है यार, that's.
It's been 14 years. It has been 14 years.
Yeah.
He obviously is a much better person than you and I. Or he's much better person than me, not counting you for this one at least.
Oh, मतलब I would have been okay. It's been 14 years, yeah. Okay, let's wrap up.
Yes, bro.
Yeah.
At least Alonso का press conference देखने का मन है. How about?
हाँ, चलो देख लेते हैं 2 मिनट. इतना गुस्सा आता है ना मेरे को लुइस का उससे, तो मतलब he's just irritating.
He's irritatingly good.
No, in the press conferences he's just irritating.
Okay. Yeah, on the racetrack he's irritatingly good.
On the racetrack he's just good. I mean, like, I get irritated. That's my problem. That's not his issue.
Yeah.
And I can admit that he's good. I don't have a problem with that. Russell finishes ahead of Mazepin. Just saying. Just saying. I called it. Just saying. He did one full lap with a puncher. Okay, just saying.
Is Latifi ahead of? No, okay, Latifi तो retired.
Latifi retired. Ocon भाग के आया है पीछे से Alonso पे कूदने के लिए. Did you see that?
No, I did not.
Yeah, Jensen just they just Crofty is just talking about it. I mean, I saw Ocon running behind Hamilton and I was like, ये कूदेगा जाके. Alonso पे पक्का कूदेगा.
Yeah, of course, our starting position was a bit compromised, but luckily we had a really good start, and it was quite good to get into second. So at the end of the day,
However, Max is also very irritating in conferences.
Yeah. Besides the
I mean,
times,
he's a yeah, and
besides the times when he is like really badass, otherwise
Yeah.
he's irritating.
and that punchable face, you know.
Yes, totally punchable.
And with this fake mustache, it's even more punchable. A hint of a mustache,
Mm,
it's even more punchable.
yes.
And I
Like
I
maybe
just want to
नाक
punch him on the
नाक
mouth.
के पास उसको शेव करने में भी डर लगता है.
अबे बाल ही नहीं आया होगा यार बाकी अभी. कितना 20-22 साल का तो है.
Oh, people are singing Fernando. See, there are good interview takers in the podiums and there are bad ones. Jensen is amongst the good ones. Brundle is good. DC is good. Massa is terrible.
मासा तो चूतिया है यार, मतलब.
Weber is also good in the post-race interviews. Like, besides these few people, everybody else in the post-race interviews complete चूतिया होता है. Like, बस एक क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछेगा, and that's it. दूसरा क्वेश्चन भी बोनस
नहीं.
होता है.
हाँ बट मतलब ठीक है यार, बाकी सबका सेम लोग 3 आदमी आता है. हैमिल्टन वर्स्टैपेन बॉटस, हैमिल्टन वर्स्टैपेन बॉटस, हैमिल्टन वर्स्टैपेन बॉटस. क्या करेगा, क्या पूछेगा? अलोंसो आता भी तो नहीं है ना कभी पोडियम पे. 7 साल बाद आया है तो अच्छा पूछेगा कैसे कुछ.
लुइस मौका पे चौका मार दिया. पता नहीं कोई बंदी थी जो कि दूर से उसको कांग्रेचुलेट कर रही थी, वो बुला के हाथ कर दिया.
अरे वो अपनी वो एंजेला को तो पेल देता है यार वो. क्वालिफाइंग से निकलता है लेफ्ट को इसको तो.
But that seems more of a platonic relationship.
Yeah. I mean, I'm not saying there's anything behind it. I'm just saying, मतलब, because she's always the first one there, and whenever he's happy, he's like, इसको तो बस पकड़ लो.
So there was this time जब like Buddhaditya Banerjee and Karan Kaila, we were watching Monza ka race in my room in 266 in Manipal, and throughout the
How
entire
are you watching in your room?
because I used
Download
to watch
करके.
हाँ नहीं नहीं
Download करके.
live
लाइव कैसे देखेगा भोसड़ी के 5 kbps आता था वहां पे.
नहीं हम लोग एयरटेल का नेटवर्क ले लेते ना.
अच्छा ओके.
So the entire race, like Karan Kaila was saying, the power of the pussy, bro, the power of the pussy. Like he didn't marry Nicole Scherzinger because no, he can get so much pussy. Like Lewis can get so much pussy. Why would he marry Nicole Scherzinger? Throughout the entire race.
चलो he didn't marry her.
Yeah. Turns out she's kind of a bimbo. Ish, maybe. I don't know. Maybe she's
I don't
smart.
know. I don't care. I don't know. I'm not going to comment on her. मतलब
ठीक है, you can be politically correct. I don't have to be. So चलो हो गया.
Cat Lever, Holy Queen.
हो
Fuck
गया,
you,
हो गया.
Queen.
Fuck this shit. We are shutting this down.
Fuck you, Queen. Yeah.
चलो
चलो,
bye bye.
bye.